Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to combine emojis on iPhone. First of all, open up the web browser. Once you're in your web browser, search here for Combine Emojis. After that, click on Get Cooking. Then, you will see different emojis and create a combined emojis with them. You can select any of the following emojis from the keyboard to make a new combined emoji from it. Like if you pick an emoji or bird and add a green heart with it, you will create a bird in green color. Let's see another example of it. So I'm going to pick a mushroom emoji and panda emoji. Then you'll be able to generate a combined emoji out of these two. You can also create custom combinations using different emojis. Experiment with different combinations to express your emotions uniquely. While typing, iOS may suggest certain emojis based on what you've written. If you see emoji suggestions above the keyboard, you can tap on them to replace the corresponding words with emojis. This can sometimes create interesting combinations. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.